Oh, let me just try to record you. There.
So this is where things get a little quirky. I am on this beautiful beach in Dar es Salaam, and we were supposed to be recording for my company First Class Africa, but we were having so many bloopers, so many things were going wrong that we just said we're going to scrap it. But it's just such a beautiful setting that I wanted to share this with you guys. And as you can see, I'm struggling. My eyes are squinting. The lighting is like, the sun is like right in my eyes. I'm trying to record with my cell phone, the audio of it, which is literally in my bra. So it makes me have like uniboob, and that just looks awful on camera. Then it looks like my skin is glowing and glistening, but no, y'all, that's just some sweat. It was really hot. The wind felt good, but it was a little humid, so I was actually my makeup of course didn't look right. It was just bloopers all over the place. I had lipstick on the side of my face that I did not know was there. I had sand going everywhere. I had stepped into like this sewage creek, which was disgusting. So needless to say, we scrapped this, but enjoy the view, y'all.
Wow. 3, 2, 1. Tanzania, as you will learn in the
Slow down.
3, 2, 1. Tanzania.
Pardon the interruption, as I'm here to remind you to book my company, First Class Africa. We are the premier provider of your African experience. Whatever experience you need to have done the first class way, we are here to do that for you. Whether it be through property management, leadership, corporate capacity building, tourism, safaris, beach excursions, you name it, we are here to make sure you receive first class service. So keep us in mind and check us out at www.firstclassafrica.com. Now back to the vlog.
I'm behind you. This one.
Alright guys, so come on with me. Let me show you this beautiful ocean. I think there's fishermen. Is fishermen down there?
Oh yeah.
Looks like they're bringing in some fish. Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go down by the ocean. Come on, Emmanuel, get in!
Man.
It's cold, right?
It's cold as hell.
It is! Oh my God.
Yeah. Wonder what?
So look at the line here. Trees everywhere.
Yeah.
So gorgeous.
We got a boat right there.
Where you can see like the span of like the whole city.
Oh yeah.
And then I forgot the name of the island out there.
Well, it's not Moodia though.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's beautiful. Oh yeah.
It's not bad. Let's see if we can get these fishermen and see if they'll let us film what they got. Sometimes they love it, sometimes they're shy.
So we forgot to record, right?
Huh?
That that?
This.
Yeah.
If it's not picking up, I'll just do music over it.
Ah, okay. Yeah. And we're just gonna write it down.
No, I'll just do music.
I don't like to understand what we're going to do. The people, like we are going to look at the fishermen what they caught.
I'm gonna ask them what they're doing.
Right.
This is all about it.
All right. I'm just gonna.
Is it filming?
I think so. Is it?
Okay, so can you show me what he caught? Oh wow.
Cheche. Hapatikani mbali sana, ni hapo karibu. Ule mbali kabisa.
Oh, that's all they caught?
Mmoja huyo hapo mkubwa.
Oh wow. Ah. Woo. Ah. Safi sana. Oh, look.
Still alive.
Which one? Look at this. Look at how big that one is. Wow. Okay, so look at these. Are they okay if I touch them?
Ni safi. Yeah, haina shida, haina shida, haina shida.
You can see him breathing. So how do they do it? Do they dive down or they use like...
Kwa mnatumia neti ya? Mnatumia nyavu? Eh? Ndio ikoje? Wanang'ata hiyo hapo unavuta. Udude yote tukamata nayo udude.
This one?
Acha utani. Oya. Sio poa.
I don't want to ruin the fish. Did you put it back up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to ruin the... Wow.
Baba. Oh, kubwa kichizi man.
This is huge.
And they got that with that,
With
the
that.
bottle and the...
Yeah.
Wow. Na hizi mnatoa mnazi...
Oh, they're so slimy. Like that?
We gotta walk all the way back there.
That way, right?
No, that way. We came that way, remember?
What? That way. We're on our way back.
Yep.
We think we know where we're going,
We have no idea.
but we have no idea. I think this is right, actually. Alright, I'm turning around so we can see. We gotta go this way. There's a path there? Okay. Oh, you know, I need to stop telling people I used to be a dancer. All my balance is gone. Oh, yeah, we made it. Okay, Emmanuel. You do know what you're doing. All right, Emmanuel found us a path and we made it. Yes. No, we do. Yes, we do. You're right, we do. We made it. Oh, shade. Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus, we hit some shade. Woo. Is it? Yeah, we gotta go. Let's get a cold drink at the house and then go. Yeah, that house is his.
I mean, it just changes drastically.
Yes.
Like one place is sunny, the next place is...
What is... How cool is it? Oh, don't trip, don't trip. Okay. Wow. I've never been back here.